Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of Exponents and Powers. This is 6th question of its exercise 13.1. So the question says that simplify. So first part is 2 into 10 to the power 3. So इसकी expanded form हो जाएगी 2 into 10 into 10 into 10. So multiplication जगह हमारे पास final 2000. Second part is 7 square into 2 square is equal to, इसकी एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म हो जाएगी 7 into 7 into 2 into 2. So 7 into 7 हो जाएगा 49 and 2 into 2 हो जाएगा 4. 49 into 4 is equal to 196. Third part is 2 cube into 5. So इसकी एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म हो जाएगी 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 is equal to 8 into 5. 8 5 से ये हो जाएगा हमारे पास 40. Fourth part is 3 into 4 is to the power 4. Expanded form हो जाएगी 3 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to 3 into 256 is equal to 768. Fifth part is 0 into 10 square, 0 into 10 into 10. So 0 into 100. 0 से हम किसी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो हमें रिजल्ट मिलता है 0. Sixth part is 5 square into 3 cube. Expanded form हो जाएगी 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 is equal to 25 into 27. हो जाएगा हमारे पास 675. Seventh part is 2 is to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power 2. Expanded form हो जाएगी 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. जगह 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 into 3 3 is 9. 69 हो जाएगा 144. And eighth part is 3 square into 10 to the power 4. Expanded form हो जाएगी 3 into 3 into 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So 9 into 2 3 4 10,000. So 90,000. Thank you.